Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to remove password from Shopify store. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then what you have to do next is simply go to plan, and then you have to simply choose a plan. So as you can see, I have my free trial, and what you have to do is simply click on choose plan, and then here you have to choose one of these three. So you have basic, you have Shopify, and you have advanced. So you can pick this one here, and as you can see, it's gonna be €1 for the first 3 months. So after that, you'll have to go to online store, and then you'll have to go to preferences, and then you have to simply scroll down, and then you have to simply disable the password protection feature. So in order to do that, you'll have to pick a plan first, as I said before, and then simply click on this, and then remove the password, and then simply click on save, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.